Girl, I can't lie.
She's back with another video, and yes, I'm back and I'm better than ever. Gotta make sure I show off that bling, you know? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're not doing this again. Hello people, or whoever is watching this video, thank you for taking the time out of your beautiful day to come watch this video, because I would not, even after I post this video, I highly doubt I'm gonna watch it again. How's you guys' quarantine going? Yeah, mine's not, I'm alive and well, so is my family. Don't have a lot to complain about, so I'm happy for the most part, but I'm bored and I'm lonely and I'm tired all the time for no reason. So I was like, why not hop on my Instagram, why not hop on my YouTube channel and make a new YouTube video? So today's video is going to be how I catfish people 101. Basically what I mean by catfishing is I'm going to be accentuating? Let me search that up really. Going to be accentuating my features, my cheekbones, my eyes, and my lips. So for the most part, all my products are drugstore. I feel like I'm babbling too much. Let's get into this video. Y'all, I have way too much energy today.
This is the finished makeup look. If you guys are looking to, you know, practice your makeup skills this quarantine, this is definitely something I would recommend. It's super easy, super simple. This is my catfish makeup tutorial. Like, who is she? This is not Tommy. This is Tomei. I'm really living for this look right here. Really cute, simple, easy to makeup look. Get out there, catfish these people, do what you gotta do to make ends meet. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I would not even take the time to watch this video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one if I do end up posting. Bye!